Got admitted into a non-network hospital? Don't you worry. Here's your complete guide to reimbursement claim settlement process. After discharge from the hospital, intimate your claim immediately via IndusInd Insurance app, WhatsApp, website, or calling the landline number. Upload documents for processing the claim through IndusInd General Insurance website or mobile app. The insured and intimator shall receive the claim number via SMS or email. Post receipt of documents and SMS stating documents are received and the claim is under process is sent to the insured and the intimator. The processing turnaround time from document receipt is 15 days. In case of any query, the claim processing team will contact the customer through SMS or email or outcall for the requirement of the pending document. One can download the query letter from the website or the IndusInd Insurance app as well. Upload query document on the website or IndusInd Insurance app or courier it to our claim processing team. Upon receipt of query documents, the insured and intimator will receive an SMS. The processing turnaround time post-document receipt is 15 days. Upon claim settlement, the customer will receive an SMS or email with a settlement letter. It is also available for download from the website or IndusInd Insurance app. These are the documents you need for a hassle-free reimbursement claim settlement process. For cashless facility, get facilitated in IndusInd General Insurance's 10,000 plus network hospitals.
For more information, visit IndusIndInsurance.com or contact your insurance advisor today.
IndusInd General Insurance, now with a better experience.